If you want to set proofreading options, then click on Office button and then click Word options. Now we have to select proofing and click on autocorrect option. Already we have an auto correction list here. If we give C in the brackets, then it will change like this. And if we give AB BOUT, then it will change into about. Simply we can say that the given word will be replaced with some other word which is given in the autocorrection list. For example, I am giving ES and here I am giving EduSoft and click on Add button and OK. When we type ES in the document, then it will show EduSoft. Once again I am checking this option, Word options, proofing. Here we have the word EduSoft. Like this, we can replace the words with the help of autocorrect option. If we did not want to replace that word, then click autocorrect option and select this word and click on delete button. Now, if we give ES, then it will not show the word EduSoft and it will be in normal. Here, we can also maintain our own dictionary. If we want to maintain the words in our dictionary which are not in the MS Word dictionary, then click on Customs Dictionaries and here we have to click on Edit Word List and here we have to give meaningful words which we have to maintain in our dictionary. Like this, we can maintain our own dictionary.